Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're talking about building real wealth according to Dave Ramsey. It's about outsmarting your paycheck and telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. In this video, we're diving into his proven plan to get rich on a low salary. Stick around, because this is the kind of advice that can change your life. Building wealth is more about behavior than complex math equations. You can have a six-figure income and still be broke if you don't know how to manage your money. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. You need a solid plan and the discipline to stick to it. Consistency over complexity, always. Look, I'm not talking about being cheap. I'm talking about being intentional. That's where zero-based budgeting comes in. Write down your income, then list every single expense. Rent, groceries, utilities, everything. The goal is for your income minus your expenses to equal zero. Small changes add up. Debt is a chain around your financial neck, and it's time to break free. The average American has thousands in credit card debt alone. My debt snowball method is the key. List out all your debts, smallest to largest. Attack that smallest debt with a vengeance while making minimum payments on the rest. Keep snowballing those payments until you're debt-free. Emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life throws curveballs. Without an emergency fund, these surprises can derail your entire financial plan. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Think of it as insurance against life's inevitable hiccups. Pick up a side hustle, have a garage sale, get creative. Investing basics. Grow your money. Understanding the fundamentals of investing is the first step towards financial freedom. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's a crucial step to building wealth. Educate yourself by reading financial books and discussing strategies with your partner or a trusted advisor. Start small and be consistent. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly over time. The stock market, especially index funds like the S&P 500, has historically grown at an average of around 10% per year. This makes it a powerful tool for long-term growth. Diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. A well-balanced portfolio is key to weathering market fluctuations. Don't panic and sell when the market dips. Market downturns are normal and often temporary. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remain patient. Look, I'm not saying you need to quit your day job, but there are tons of ways to bring in extra cash. Freelancing, gig work, driving for a ride-sharing service, selling handmade goods online, the possibilities are endless. Every little bit helps. This is a fundamental principle of building wealth. It's not about being miserable. It's about being smart. Live below your means, and you'll be amazed at how much financial breathing room you create. Next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Here's the thing about building wealth. It's not just about the money. Sure, having money is important, but it's the means to an end, not the end itself. It's about the freedom and the options that money provides. Imagine being able to take that dream vacation, spend quality time with your loved ones, or simply relax without financial stress. It's about being able to take care of your family, pursue your passions, and make a difference in the world. Whether it's having dinner with your family, creating art, or volunteering in your community, wealth gives you the freedom to do what truly matters. Take these principles, put them into practice, and you'll be well on your way to building real, lasting wealth. Start by budgeting wisely, seeking professional advice, and using technology to manage your finances. Live like no one else now, so later you can live and give like no one else. Make small sacrifices today, like skipping unnecessary luxury purchases, cooking at home, and giving back to those in need to enjoy a prosperous future. I hope this has fired you up and given you the motivation you need to take the next step in your financial journey. Remember, you don't have to be a millionaire to start building wealth. Every small step counts, whether it's saving a few dollars a week or investing in your first stock. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on achieving financial freedom. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your path to financial success. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We're here to help you every step of the way. You got this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep striving for your financial goals and remember, every effort counts. Goodbye for now.